Dimming for lighting outputs. External trigger to activate up to 2 outputs. Battery voltage display on app screen. 435A circuits and 418A circuits. 8 user-programmable switches. Bezel-style enclosure with concealed, back-mounted hardware. Features: 8 user-programmable switches, user-selectable switch legends. RGB backlighting provides unlimited color options, using Color Picker app. Daisy chain up to 3 switch panels to 1 power module. Programming and control via panel or smartphone, Bluetooth interface, 125A solid-state power module, engine compartment rated, automatic shutdown for overcurrent and low voltage. Programming options are on, off or momentary (IGN) or Batt. Flash and strobe functions, low voltage disconnect, and switch memory, plug-and-play installation. Switch panel specs. 4LX2W by .375H, includes concealed mounting hardware for factory lock. Power module specs. 6LX3WX. 5H, excluding connectors enclosure, black anodized aluminum, 8 outputs, 4 rated at 35A, 4 rated at 18A, 125A maximum rating 125 degrees C to -40 degrees Celsius, 16-pin, sealed automotive connector, wire harness with 100A fused power cable, light and ignition input wires, and 8 3-long output wires, 11 of communication cable between switch panel and power module. Switches can be programmed to be on, off or momentary, ignition or battery powered, flash, strobe, low voltage disconnect, and memorize previous settings. There is also a programming function to adjust the brightness of backlighting and indicator LEDs. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Very clever product. I have used several other relay-based units. This beats them all. Very compact and rugged. Very configurable and able to handle lots of power. Very good instructions and the mobile app does the job. Not super slick but very functional. Not sure why people have so much trouble with it. I have AS20 and it works perfectly. Just wish the power cable was 5/16 so it fitted more PDC-12V connectors.